everybody. I am eating my breakfast right now before I begin my spring cleaning and decorating. And for breakfast, I'm having a Chick-fil-A bowl with grilled chicken, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. And I've got me a cup of coffee, and that is going to be breakfast for today. All right, everybody. So right now I'm getting ready to do a little bit of spring cleaning here in my living room area. And what I'm going to do is clean my floors really well. I have an area rug right there. You guys can see it right down there. The area rug that our coffee table sits on, I'm going to clean it up really well. I'm also going to vacuum it really well and then use the carpet cleaner to give it a really, really good cleaning. So I have a feeling this video is going to take a period of maybe 2 days, but you know, we'll never finish until we get started. So come along with me for some spring cleaning and decorating. Our old DVD CD cabinet. We don't even look in here. I am definitely going to keep my Friends collection. I love the series Friends. I really don't even know what all of this other stuff is. I mean, if you look, it goes on to the back there, and then down here, and then that, and then Angelina has a stack over there that she's going through. So anyway, I'm gonna go through this and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product when we're done. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. So this is my rationale. Actually, what I'm gonna be keeping are only these that are on top. All of these at the bottom are items that we're going to include in, I'm thinking of having a spring garage sale. So I'm gonna keep those items to put in the spring garage sale. If I do not have a garage sale by the end of spring, then I'm just going to put them in a bin and take them to Goodwill. But that's the plan right now. Cabinet is all cleaned. This is the trash bag filled with stuff. That one, oh, and then I have that one over there filled with stuff that is just no good that we're tossing away. So it is coming along. Spring cleaning 2021 in effect. Yay. Okay, guys, right now it is lunchtime. My living room looks a mess. I am still in the process of cleaning. Let me let you guys see it really quickly. All right, so there's, Jalena's taking a break too, I guess. But anyway, yeah. Got that other side of the cabinet over there cleaned out. Got 2 trash bags full of trash. But believe it or not, it's coming along rather well, and it's time to get some lunch. For lunch, I've got a turkey mesquite club sandwich. I've got cheese and bacon and some lettuce on there. Don't have any tomato. On sola bread, and this is going to be my lunch. And then, of course, I'm going to have my coconut pineapple ice drink. And yeah, that will be my lunch for today. I had these right here for my winter decor. I'm going to replace them with these. I have these little yellow balls of, looks like lemon or whatever, and they smell really good too. So I'm going to go ahead and change this out. right, guys, so my nutrition box came in, and let me show you guys what I got, some things I'm going to be trying. I got these enlightened sugar-free cones. I'm going to be trying that out. I also got these strawberry muffins. My fellow YouTuber friend over at Married to Keto, she has been, was talking about how great these taste. And yeah, I'm going to give these a try. I think she said it, did it knock her out of ketosis? I'm not sure. I'm going to go back and look at that video again of hers. Let's see, but I got those to give those a try. And I also got the Lakanto Simple Syrup. It's sweetened with monk fruit. I have a couple of ideas for this stuff right here. So I'm excited to try these items from Old Trusty Nutrition, and I will be letting you guys know how they are. Dinner is going to be a garden salad with bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, and ranch dressing, and 2 pork ribs, barbecue pork ribs. There's a local grocery store that smokes these ribs, and they are so delicious. So this is going to be dinner. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog right here. I'll be back in the next video to show you guys the final product, all of the decorating, and I promise I'm going to get back to all of my cooking videos starting next week, starting on Tuesday with Taco Tuesday. I have a good one for you guys, and you are definitely going to enjoy it. Thanks for joining me today. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.